Hello! So today guys, I'm going to do the hiking with my sister-in-law. Actually, we want to go to the mountain and get some dry woods to use for cooking our food. Let's go guys and join me for my hiking. 3 weeks ago, they burned the mountain, so it's all dry up now. But I'm going to show you guys because we need to go to the top, and I'm going to show you the view of the farm and the beach. Okay, so let's go guys. Okay guys, it's really sad because look, the bamboo, it burned, so it's already dry and brown and no more green. So yeah, but what to do, people burn the mountain. So but let's go guys, I'm going to get more dry woods to use for, let's go. Only 1 minute lang.
Kawayan to ng atalam ni. Kawayan.
So guys, this is really sad. So look at this place. It all burned. See? It all dry out the trees. And I'm really make me sad. So yeah. So province life, if you don't have money to buy your gas, you need to use the dry woods to cook for your food. So that's what we do now. So we have a gas, but we need to save gas. So we have lots of dry woods here. So we need to get more dry woods, and then we can use it, and then we can save some gas to cook our food. So because the gas here is expensive now, so yeah. Okay, so let's go and get more woods, guys. So guys, this is how it looks like, the mountains right now, and it makes me really sad because look at this nature. Oh my god. I wish we get some rain this time so that they will get more water so that they will survive. Oh god, look. So yeah, I always remember this place, and after, yes, it's after 18 years guys. I never been here, but now I'm already here. So finally, but it makes me sad because of this place. It's all burned and the trees are really dry. Look. So guys, I remember these trees. These trees. We always get some too hot. Really big rocks. This is really a rock. See? Can you see the big rocks? Okay guys, let's get some dry woods.
Ay, ladagad adukot din.
We need to get this one. Maybe yung alat. Tapos
One. Ipakakto ka niya din. Ay, alam ni may kikato. May kikat. Toto. Gun manang, kasi may mintolan no Sabado, tinado.
Ta-da! I did it! See? Guys, we are going to use this for on the May 20 because we're going to have a party. Okay? You are invited. One more. Ta-da! See? Another one. See? Bayan ko ba? Okay guys, we need to go to the other side too. Guys, stop na tayo. Ito na lang sa mga
Baka nagkuhan. Ay, lang pinagadong nga kayo. Ay, manang yung tanto ibaba. Gini, oh. Kawayan. Tani, oh. Ay, suda kayang tinagala, ti kayo. Naganus. Gaya temas. May dagi mulmula. Wow. Nagdaras nga maikaton niya.
Okay guys, so we already done picking dry wood. So yeah, and now we are ready to go to the top and check the view of the beach and the farm. So as you can see, sorry, I'm really dirty right now because it's all like charcoal. Over here it's all black. See? Look at this. Ta-da. Okay guys, so let's go to the top. Guys, me and Queenie are going to the top of the mountain, and I think we need to walk like 10 to 15 minutes to go to the top. So it's a lot of walking, and so I hope Queenie will reach to the top. Oh, she get more woods. So okay. I never see this before for many years, and now, oh Queenie, look, you got big woods over there. Okay, so guys, sorry about our mountains. Oh, it's all burned. Okay, so see you on the top of the mountain, guys. See ya. Just look at this bamboo. It all got black. Hindi mo makita. See the mountains. We almost there, guys. Look. Ta-da! See? Oh. Queenie, are you okay? Oh, guys. So help me God. And it's still very high. Okay, let's go guys. See? Di mayat. We're hoping for the rain tonight, guys. Really, we really need rain. To be honest, because we don't have rain at all here, and it's really hot. Oh, God. As you can see the view, guys, look. But that's not the real view yet. We need to go to the top. Queenie needs help. She can't walk anymore, guys. Look, she looks like Batang Yagit now. So guys, we're almost there. Look. Queenie still need help. Look at the view, guys. Oh God, we're ready. I almost there, like 95% to get on top of the mountain. But so guys, it's a little bit scary now because as you can see, Queenie is still there. She's trying to get on. She's trying to catch me. So guys, we'll see you in a bit on the top. Okay? Okay guys, I made it on the top, but Queenie didn't. I'm so sorry. She's so sorry. So, but it's okay. But I made it. And so I'm going to show you the view of our village. So that's the farm over there. As you can see. Look, and now I'm going to show you the beach. I'm going to show you the beach, guys. Look, isn't it amazing? Oh God, oh God, I'm really exhausted because it's really high, but I'm so proud of myself because I made it by myself. Finally, I made it to the top. So yeah, I'm on the top of the mountain. I'm so happy because I can see the view. So this is the view on top of the mountain. It's still brown because the farm is still brown because it's not a planting season of the grains yet. Probably on month of August or September, this farm will be totally green. So look, and I can see the church over there. Our church, our Santa Maria church, and this is the view. It would be nice if I'm going to sit here and watch the sunset. Look. Okay guys, this is really bad experience for me to come up to the mountain because it takes a while for me to come down because the and I'm shaking guys, and it's so intense. I couldn't even move my legs, and I'm really shaking, and I'm still shaking. But guys, finally I'm already in the good situation now. As you can see, I'm really dirty because look, because it's all, you know, oh god, oh shit. So look, so guys, finally I'm home and I made it. So look at my hand guys, because I need to use my hand to use, oh, I'm so dirty guys, look. So, but anyway, at least I made it home. So yeah, and Queenie is already home even with me. So now I need to feed my chickens, and I'm going to take shower, and finally I'm going to edit videos. Okay, bye.